So we're in Clovis, California. We just finished installing a Moen posi-temp valve. It's back in here. You can't see it. It's on the other side, but it was an all-one kit. I think we got it from either Build or Amazon. I don't know. Anyways, it came with the rough-in valve and then, of course, the trim kit. That it's very similar, almost an exact match of the shower on the other wall. So they were adding a second shower. So all loop-in tubing you can see from here connected, and then going up shower head, the shower stub. Can't see it because we got it blocked in right there. But that's the valve, and then of course hot and cold water lines. Hot coming over here to the, this is the left side. I know when we're looking at it that's the right, but from the shower this is the left side. So hot water tying over to the lavatory sink stubs, the hot line and the cold line. So hot ties in here, shark bite fitting. Cold ties in there, shark bite fitting. And then we have a couple straps where we drilled through right here and right here. This is close to the front, but we needed to get behind this drain line right here. Sorry about the light. The drain line was up against the wall, and so we had to pull it forward and then get the water lines by here. So I recommend before you ever do anything in that bathroom, like mounting something to the wall, you know, just document this. You can see there's your, you know, you could hit that. Let's put it that way. You drill a big anchor through there, and then bam, you've hit your water line. So try to avoid that. So this is just gonna be patched back together. We don't do that work, but you know, this was a shear wall, and so honestly, a lot of this doesn't have to go back, but it needs to be filled in here. You can see 1/2 inch, and you can use the wood or sheetrock, whatever. But float it back out, patch it in. Not too bad as far as the patching here, and then up. So that's good. And on the other side, you can see existing, that's the existing shower right there. And a little bit different right here. You can see there's not a bright ring like this around the handle here, like you see here. So maybe it wore off, or maybe this is just a little variation, but you can tell the shower heads same, and valve same. So anyways, that's all installed, and everything here looks good. Outside of that, this installation is done.